Hello folks, welcome to Ethical Empire. In the last video, I explained about net-wise enumeration. So now your next step is to enumerate and to learn about SNMP enumeration. So in this video, I will explain you about SNMP enumeration and how to perform SNMP enumeration. So without any further delay, now let's start the video. SNMP. SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. So it's an application layer protocol that runs on the UDP, User Datagram Protocol. It helps us in maintaining and managing the network devices like hosts, switches, routers, etc. So basically it runs some SNMP agents. So it is based on SNMP agents which runs on the Windows machines and the Unix systems. Okay, so now moving to SNMP enumeration. What SNMP enumeration is? So SNMP enumeration uses SNMP protocol to create a list of the users present on a networking device. Suppose I'm taking one Windows machine as my target machine. So with the help of SNMP enumeration, when we enumerate that machine via SNMP, then we will have a lot of information, including all the user accounts available in the machine, all network information and many more information. We will see when we will do the practical part. SNMP-CHECK. So it's a tool. With the help of this tool, we perform SNMP enumeration. So SNMP-CHECK is a tool which runs on the Kali as well as Windows machine. It displays all the output in a simple and in very human friendly format, and it works or it runs on, it enumerates on a default community that is public. So now let's see the practical part of this. So now I have logged in my Kali Linux machine. So I will launch one terminal here. So I'm just zooming it. Okay, so before starting SNMP enumeration, first let's check that whether the SNMP port is open or not on the on our specific target machine. So the IP address of my target machine is 192.168.79.225. Okay, so first to check that whether SNMP port is open, so we will use nmap tool. So we'll type sudo nmap. This asks you for the UDP scan and this P to specify the port. So port 161 is for the SNMP. Now I will hit enter. Okay, so here I can see that port 161 is open and its SNMP service is running on this machine, on this target machine. So now I will run SNMP-CHECK tool. So for that, type SNMP-CHECK and then IP address 168.79.225 and now hit enter. Okay, so as I can see that it has given me a lot of information. So let's check all, go through all of the information which we just could. Okay, so here I can see the system information at the first. So the host IP address, host name and the description. Contact information and location info is not available, no problem. We can see the domain name and then we have the list of user accounts. So I can see that 5 user accounts are available on the machine. Then I have the network information. So as you can see that IP forwarding is not enabled here. Default ATL value is 128. Input datagrams, output programs. We can see all the network interfaces available. After that, we can see the network IP, routing information, TCP connections and listening ports, listening UDP ports, and all the network services which are running on the machine, like Windows Search, Windows Update, Security Center, and all the processes running on the target machine, like ss.exe, svc host. All the process running on the target machine can be seen. I can see here. After it, I can see the storage information, file system information, and device information. And at the end, I can see the software components. Okay, so this is how you can use SNMP-CHECK tool to enumerate any target machine. If you do in your device, if snm if in a device in which you are checking, you are considering it a host and you are performing snmp enumeration on that device, if snmp service is not running on that machine, then you won't be able to see all those information. So to how to start an snmp service on a particular machine, I will upload a short video on this channel as well only. So just make sure to subscribe the channel. And now let's move to another tool. Now we will perform SNMP enumeration via soft perfect network scanner. So it's an software which we run on Windows machine. So it can ping computers and it can also scan ports. It can discover shared folders on a particular machine, particular host machine, and it also retrieve practical information about the network devices. So basically it works via windows management instrumentation, that is wmr, and it also works on snmp, http, ssh protocols. So let's see how to install this tool and how to perform snmp enumeration with via this tool, soft perfect network scanner. Okay, so first I will show you how to install this software, then we will see how to use it. So first go to the any browser and in the search bar type soft perfect network scanner download and hit enter, and after it just go to this first link. Okay, so now I will click on download Windows installer. I will give a location, so I'm giving it here. Net scan setup and then click on save. So okay, so I have already downloaded it, so I will replace it by clicking yes. So it will take a little bit time to download because of my slow internet Wi-Fi of college. So, so now it's downloaded. So click on this file. Yeah. Now click yes. Okay. So now I will read the license agreement and I will select this option and accept the agreement. Next, install, finish. So click continue and now I will full screen it. So this is how the interface looks like. So first thing you need to do is just go to this options and in the remote SNMP, click here, and here you in your system, in your laptop, it may be these all options will be marked. So click on mark all none and then close it. And after that we have to give the range of IP addresses.
So I'm giving my network range. So can you will type the network range and then click on start scanning. So it will take few minutes or few seconds to give us the final report. Okay. So as I can see that the scanning is completed and it has found two devices. So I can see the MAC address. So okay. So we'll click on the plus button. So here is one folder. Okay. So right click and click on the properties. So in the properties, I can see one shared resource, that is the folder, and the IP address, MAC address, and the response time here is 0, and you can see the host name. Okay, now I will close it. We'll see who explore is trying to open. Okay, so this device is not ready to accessible, so click OK. If the device which we have, which this software is scanned here is not secure enough or is vulnerable, then we will be able to connect those folders. So like right click, click on the open device. So here I can see some options like we can connect with the via web, HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, Telnet, remote desktop. But let's click on remote desktop. So it is trying to connect with this device. I don't think it will be able to connect with this device because this device is not vulnerable with the SNMP. Okay, so I can see that remote desktop can't connect to the remote computer for one of these domains. Okay, remote access to the server is not enabled. So if the device is, if in the device remote access to the service is enabled, or that remote computer is available on the network, that we will be able to connect with the with those devices by this tool, and we can communicate with those devices as well. So this is how we can use the soft perfect network scanner tool.
In the end, I will say that just go to this website https articleempire.com. So here we upload new blogs about cybersecurity content. Recently, I started a bug bounty series, so now I am uploading bug bounty basics articles, and gradually we move to the advanced. So don't forget to visit our website and read our new blogs. So in the end, if you have any doubts, so just let me know in the comment section. And until next time, stay secure and keep exploring the fascinating world of cybersecurity. See you soon. Bye.